everyone, welcome to my channel. It's been way too long since I posted a unboxing video and I got this package today and I want to share what is inside. It's actually one of my favorite characters from Star Rail, so I hope you're ready to unbox this with me. I just came home from work a few hours ago, so I am so tired, so please excuse me for being tired. And also, I'm probably gonna do an update at the end of the video about what's going on with me, so if you want to stay tuned, I'll leave the timestamps below as well as links, so you can find this item if you want to. But let's get started. So this is the package. I don't know if you can guess what it is. Also brought him along because I want to do a comparison, so you could probably guess what this already is. This package was carefully wrapped, and I also bought a few extras. This is a regular seller that I purchased from. They said that they got this, I forget when they got it, but this is a super special package that I will be unboxing, and this is actually my first, so this will be a first with me and you guys. I just wanted to go over, I'll do this big item last because that's always cute. The first item that I got is, I'm so sorry that the lighting is so bad right now. I'm trying to figure out my lighting setup, but this is my Standee badge. I'll do close-ups to the end if you guys are curious. Aww. They put a little extra freebie in for me. They know I love Ayato. Super cute. And I asked for some stickers as well. I just think this is so funny. I'll link the stickers below if you guys are interested, as well as the artist. I love their art design and all the art that they create. I think it's very talented and creative. I'm not sure which character this is. I don't know. I'm getting tape all over me. And then this one is from Natland. This is super cute. I hate the glare of this lighting, so at some point I will update my lighting setup, but for now I think it works. So these are super cute. If you want to buy the sticker sheets and some of the stickers online, I will link the Etsy shop below for those who are wanting more art. This is a cute little, I saw these online, so I'm super excited because I actually wanted one of these. I just didn't buy it. I'm gonna put this to the side because I still want to do my shorts. And then this, I bought a few things. Oh wow. Okay, so I didn't realize this is the first item that I purchased. This is the Standee. What is it? The Standee standee, and it has it's like a shaker charm. That's so cute. Okay, I love that. And then this is my Aventurine standee that I wanted with this purchase. This usually comes, I think, with the bonus. So now for the last unboxing piece of this. As you guessed it, it is my Aventurine Nendoroid that I have been wanting for a very long time. When they announced this, I was so excited and I wanted one. actually might save this case, this bubble wrap case, just in case. So this is Aventurine. It got a little bit dented, but overall, pretty good. This is him. You guys can't see it. Here's to the unboxing. Okay, this is not the seller's fault at all, but because this one doesn't have the stand that it's supposed to come with, I might have to end up selling this. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. I think this is as far as my unboxing goes because I don't want to damage it or do anything else. I'm going to put this back in its box and I'll talk to the seller about it and what happened. Like I said, it's totally, completely not their fault. And I think they forgot this piece. And so I don't have it. And I checked in the box and it's nowhere to be found. I checked under the little flap too. It's not there. I checked in the package, it's not there. So I only can assume that they either forgot it or it's not here because I don't see it anywhere. That's actually kind of sad. I'm a little bit sad about that, but that's good that I double checked, and I double checked the manual too, because if I had not and just opened all this, then we'd be in a different spot. But I'm glad that I double checked this, and I will probably get back to you guys in a few hours just to see what actually happened because I don't know what happened. Okay, so I asked the seller about where the heck it was. Why did they make it this way? I don't know. So if you look behind here, this is the most unconventional place ever. Why did they do this? Don't ask me. I didn't design this, but it's literally in there. Okay, so no one in the world is literally going to find this unless they look up the directions. It's hidden right behind this box. If you guys can tell, that was, like, I thought this was a solid plastic piece. I don't know if it is, but let's cut it open and just see. I was freaking out there for a second. Oh, thank goodness. I was nothing bad, but I thought they would actually put it back here, but they didn't. And that's weird that they would design it this way because I think you should put it on the blue backing. But okay, that's just me. So after figuring that out, this is a little piece that goes with the Nendroid. Let's put it together. Okay, so after figuring that all out and almost breaking the whole entire thing, I also like to organize my accessories, and this one has CLs in it, and I might get a separate box for his, but I think even smaller, so in case this shakes or something, they don't get broken. But I just keep the accessories in here for now. And then, as you can see, my CL, this one's a different little figure, but he's so fragile that he breaks more. And I realized when I was fooling around with Aventurine, his was actually very sturdy, and I could probably bend some of the accessories and like drop him and he'd be fine. This one is probably this was my first one, and he's so delicate. He's got scratches on him. He can't hold things. He's just so... I wish I could get another one of him, but he's just so fragile. I didn't realize Nendroids were a lot sturdier than I realized, and that's why I hesitated on buying them, because I thought, oh, well, they're just so fragile like this one. But that's not the case. This is a different brand and different company. But this one, I just didn't realize how sturdy it was, I guess. I think I was like in my head, I was like, this is not sturdy. So yeah, this kind of is interesting because it's a thin piece of plastic. And I thought it would be different. That would be really cool if it had like gold on it, actual raised gold, like gold foil on it, and then if this part had gold in it, but it doesn't. So I'm just gonna give you a little look at my Aventurine. So he has a few options. You can have his hat on or you don't have to. I actually did figure that even though his sunglasses come out a little bit, if you tuck it behind this one piece of strand, it'll stay, but you have to be really careful. Like I said, I don't think I understood how a figure stand worked until I fooled around with it. And I guess this is how you do this one too, because I have a stand for him, but like I said, I broke it the first time I tried it, so we are not doing that again. But anyways, I wanted to show you my unboxing, and I will show you the photos at the end, and I will leave links below, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you loves later.